back to another video. It's your Joy Boy back at it again. Guys, we are at a smart clean sweep claw machine. I've never played this before, but there's a bunch of these mystery boxes inside. I want to win as many as possible and see what's inside. Okay, this poster claims that there's an iPhone in one of them, so that might not be a bad idea to win as many as we can, and we're gonna see if we can win this iPhone. Let's see. What do I want? I want this one. This one's open a little bit. So I'm gonna see if I can get it in the crease. Ooh, there we go, come on. Oh, stay. Oh my gosh, I hooked the tip. Oh my gosh, that was barely on there, guys. And I actually already saw what was inside this. Unfortunately, it wasn't an iPhone, but oh. Boom, $2. Not bad, we've actually spent $2 so far, so the owner is just gonna get his money back. So let's see. Oh yeah, that's got it. Oh, another quarter pinch. Dude, that's how you want to get these boxes, guys. Like, I think that's the trick. Oh, $2 more. All right. Well, you guys know where this is going. Oh, that's perfect. Look at that grab. Okay, that is the most, like, I don't know, there's something about that. It looks so nice. Dude, heck yes. Guys, we are killing it right now. Another $2. As long as I win a mystery box every try, I'm gaining $1. Let's try for this one. Oh, maybe. Oh, in the rubber band? Oh, no. A little swing technique. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Oh, gosh. That's really weak. What about this one? Get in there. Oh. Ooh. Oh my gosh. The old pick it up and drop it. All right, let's try right there. Oh, that's got it. Yep. Perfect grab. That's how you want to get them, guys. 2 claws like inside the box. I'll go for it one more time, and if I can't get it, oh, that might have it. That might have it. Stay in there by the little, oh my gosh, it dropped. What the heck? How dare you, gravity? Okay, I think I can get it now. Let's try for it. Watch this. I'm so confident that I'm going to win this that I don't even need to worry. Stay! Oh my god! Guys, look at that! What if I shake the machine? Is that illegal? Alright guys, let the record show. I'm a good person, I think, but I do have to shake the machine just this one time. Oh, it's not working. Dude, that sucks. All right, you know what? No, there's no shortcuts in life, guys. I'm just gonna put another $1 in. You gotta win the fair way, fair and square. Now, if I lose on this try, I might as well just quit my job now and go homeless, you know? Over one claw machine try. So here we go. Just give it a little vibration. Feel that vibration. Okay. Yes. Here we go. Deploy the claw, pushing the big red button, and winning the big cardboard box. Heck yes, baby. We want small money. Really? There's not even anything in here. Wow. Okay, well, that makes another empty box. Let's go for this one, and if I hook it inside the little crevice there, oh yeah, that should have it. Heck yeah. Dude, that's an easy, perfect win right there. Can't get any better than that. Heck yes. We got $2 in the box. Like 14%. Oh, that's a great 13%. Grab. There we go. Another box. Definitely looks empty though. And nothing in it. Well, that one was filled with my hopes and dreams. I'm gonna try that. Here we go. Come on. Oh, maybe. By the corner? Oh, by the corner! Oh my god! Dude, that was so close. Oh my gosh, guys. It barely just hangs on there, and like, when it doesn't, it falls. Duh. I probably won about half of the boxes in here, maybe a little less than half. But I want to try this one, or I feel like this one might have the phone in it, so I'm just gonna go for it. Oh, no, no. You guys want to see me win from a claw machine? Watch this. Easy. All day, what? Watch this, guys. I'm gonna get right in that crevice. Yep. There it is. All day, every day, baby. Another Echo Box. These are good for the environment, apparently. I don't know. Don't at me on that. Oh, ooh. Oh, okay. We're bouncing it up to $3. Heck to the yes. Wow, that's quite a prize. We're gonna put it all back in the machine. 3 doll hairs. Let's see. I'm gonna have to use some swingage here. Oh, get over it. Yes. Dig it out. Oh, that one looked kind of light. I don't know. All right, I need to get this one out of the way. Just my OCD telling me to win it. Oh, there we go. That's got it. Yep. Easy. Back to the yes. Another box. But we are cleaning out this box claw machine right now. Check this out. Oh, heck yeah. Another $2. I'm just gonna go for this one and see if it moves anything. Oh, there we go. It's in the box. Come on. Yep. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Dude, sometimes this claw is like so weird. Sitting in one that might have the chance of opening up, so let's see. Are you kidding me, dude? Let's see if it picks it up at all and it looks heavy. Hopefully we'll be able to notice. So here we go. Are you kidding me, bruh? Bruh. Right there should do. Get around it. Oh, ooh, that one looked heavy. That one looked heavy. Let's go for it again. I'm not sure if that was just a normal box or not. Alrighty. Let's try like right there. Get around. Dude, it's stabbing it every single time. What am I doing wrong? I'm gonna go for this box in the corner, but it keeps on stabbing it, so I'm literally just gonna drop it in the corner and see what it does. Oh, that might have it. No way. Stay. Yes, we got another box. Stay in there. Nice. That rubber band really helps it. Heck yes. Ow. Oh, wait. Wait, this one's heavy, dude. Oh my gosh, guys. All right, I'm just gonna open this now. There's 3 tries on here, but I don't even care. No way, guys. Oh my God, check this out. Oh, why is it in plastic? No way. Is this an iPhone XR? There's no way. But it's empty. Wait a second. The iPhone isn't in here. I have to redeem it later. But I'm pretty sure that this is legit. So I'll let you guys know at the end of the video what ends up happening. But that's insane, dude. I think this is it. I mean, this is obviously an iPhone. It says win an iPhone, so that's insane. Guys, it only took me like $50 to win an iPhone XR. Like, dang. Well, if you guys enjoyed the video, let me know by leaving a huge thumbs up. It really does help out the video a lot. And comment down below. I want to hear what you guys think. Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, links are in the description as always down below, as well as my cameraman Brett's channel. If you guys want to check that out, that'll be down there. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.